What happens when a bloodthirsty lion enters the hyena's territory to attack? Let's watch it now. The lion appears, disrupting the meal of the hyenas. The lion has caught the hyena. It tries to bite its opponent, showing the lion's determination to steal the prey. The hyena is known as the most sinister and cunning of animals on the planet. They rarely hunt on their own, but often steal prey from other animals. However, many studies have shown that lions often steal food from hyenas more. This time, the lions won. They took the bait from the whole herd. The two hyenas guard around the prey they've just caught. The lion creeps forward, watching the opportunity to snatch the bait. At the right time, the lion increases its speed to attack the hyenas. The lion unleashes a storm of attacks on the opponent. Thanks to the bite of the lion's mouth, the hyena had a chance to escape. Although it saved its life, the hyenas also suffered many injuries. It would be quite difficult for the time to come. Seeing a hyena by the lakeside, the two lions quickly approached. They rushed to knock down the hyena, and after not very long, the hyena was brought to the ground. Black night is the perfect time to start the hunt. While enjoying their meal, the hyenas had to receive an uninvited guest. The lion pounced on the hyena closest to it and unleashed a merciless attack. The battle was extremely fierce until another hyena intervened and the fight stopped. The result of the lion running into the deep forest to find a new target. The hyena is seriously injured. It's hard to survive tonight. The hungry tiger has found the main dish of the day, the hyena. In an instant, it's defeated a hyena and gave to its own kind. The two lionesses that came were also very hungry. It quickly destroys the hyena and enjoys its meal. And starts with the internal battle. The two lionesses actively attack a male lion enjoying the meal. The bait they compete with is the hyena cub. The male lion holds the bait without grasp. The lioness, although covetous, has no other option. Survival in the green forest is extremely difficult. It's even more difficult for injured animals like the hyena in this video. This poor hyena met the lion ambush. The hyena panics and tries to run away. Will a miracle happen to the hyena? The answer is yes. Although the fight injured the hyena on both of its legs, it still saved its life. A lone hyena has appeared in the lion's territory. Its appearance has caught the attention of the lions. A male lion has pioneered to teach this intruder. The hyena wasn't a medium size either, so a fierce battle has ensued. But no matter how strong you are, when you face the lion, the meadow king, they cannot win. A young, immature hyena caught the eye of the fearsome predator of the jungle, the lion. Without using much strength, the adept lion catches the hyena. It uses its usual moves to attack its prey, biting its neck to death. The hyena cub couldn't resist the lion, and it died. The unlucky hyena entered the territory of the lion, the lord of the jungle. Therefore, the enthusiastic welcome of the home team is inevitable. The hyena is the lion's worst enemy. Through the wildebeest, the lion headed straight for the hyenas. Not only adult hyenas, but even baby hyenas are the targets of lions. The male lion burrows and kills the hyena cub to the helplessness of the parents. The attack on the cubs this time takes the lion's revenge against the hyenas. This is the cruelty of the wild natural world. What makes the lions rush forward? It turned out that they had sensed a young hyena born not too long ago. Juveniles are food that many wild animals love, and the lion is no exception. Before this small piece of prey, it does not hesitate to kill it. The lion easily collects the little bait. Lions and hyenas are two natural enemies. They fight solo. Targeting the nearest hyena, the lion rushes to attack. But because the distance was too far, the hyena managed to run away. Following the footprints of the lion, I see the battle has come to an end between the lion and the hyena. No one knows when the incident happened, only seen the lion biting the neck of the hyena. After the lion leaves, the hyena has only half a life left. The lion did not take its life, it was a blessing, but with those wounds, the hyena is also very difficult to continue living. The lion have devised a plan to bring the hyena in. The stupid hyena still moves according to the plan of the lions. It went to the lion lying still as if it was dead. No wonder, this is a conspiracy of the lions. The hyena quickly ran away, followed by the female lions whose speed was even faster than the male lion. The lion's force is increasingly strengthened to chase this bait, but the outcome is still very unpredictable. What is the injured hyena trying to run away from? Even though the hyena gave its prey to the lion. But this greedy lion is still not satisfied and continues to chase the hyena. Luckily, the hyena escaped to its hiding place. A hyena in exchange for a lion is nothing. What about a herd or more than a dozen? Before the fierce attack of the hyena, the lion was defeated. The sudden appearance of the lions completely changed the situation. The original lion was saved. They joined forces to drive away the aggressive hyenas. Because of the food, many animals can slaughter their own kind. But in the dark of night, it's a great time to execute a conspiracy. The hyenas frantically rush to tear each other like sworn enemies. There is no compromise between them. As a result, there were children who were injured, and there were only children who were barely breathing. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them, just below.
Okay, I hope to see you again in tomorrow's next great adventure.